Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create WhatsApp group on your Android phone. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Step 3. Select new group. Step 4. Choose the contact you want to add to the group. Step 5. Once you are selecting participants, tap the green arrow at the bottom right corner. Step 6. Enter your group name. Your group is now live and you are admin by default. If you like to make another member as a group admin, for that, tap on the group name at the top to open group info. Scroll down to see the list of participants. Find the participant you want to promote. Tap and hold on their name. Then tap make group admin. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.